Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss a very interesting topic from class 10th, which is arithmetic progression. Before moving to arithmetic progression, we should know what is arithmetic progression and other sequences also. So we have two things, one is sequence, other is progression. What is the difference in sequence and progression? Sequence means it is any list of numbers or series of numbers which have some definite rule, but it may not be mathematical rule. For example, you can see in this first we have a sequence of number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. This is the sequence of prime numbers. We can't say this is any progression because each term doesn't follow mathematical rule. Whereas in progression we can say a sequence whose terms always follow a certain pattern or mathematical formula, then this sequence is called the progression. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arithmetic progression and 3, 6, 9, 12 also arithmetic progression. Now let us discuss what is this arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression can be written as AP, A for arithmetic and P for progression. So here it is a mathematical sequence in which the difference between its consecutive term is constant always. So in general, let the consecutive terms are A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on AN. Now if we can write A1 is equals to A, A2 is equals to A plus D, A3 is equals to A plus 2D, A4 is equals to A plus 3D and so on, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then we can say it is an AP where A is the first term and D is the common difference. So let us observe one thing. If it is written A1 term 1, that means basically this is 0D, no D is there. A2, that is basically A plus 1D. A3 basically A plus 2D and A4 A plus 3D. So you can say the number of D all the time is 1 less than this. So general term will be AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is known as the general term of an AP. That means sometimes we can call it nth term, Tn term, whatever. So like this. So you should remember this is general term of AP. You can write here A is equals to first term and D is equals to common difference. Common difference means difference between two consecutive terms. Now let us take few examples to make it more clear what is this and how to do the questions based on this AP. Now we have a question here. Let us see how to do. The question is, which of the following list of numbers form AP? If they form AP, then find the common difference. So see the question. First numbers are written 7, 3, minus 1, minus 5, minus 9. So what we need to do, we will try to get the difference of consecutive terms. So here 3 minus 7 is equals to minus 4. Then minus 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 4. Minus 5 minus 1 is also minus 4. And minus 9 minus 5 is also minus 4. So you can see when I subtract first term from second, I got minus 4. Second term from third, I got minus 4. Third term from fourth, I got minus 4. And fourth term from fifth, I got the minus 4. So you can see here the difference is common. Therefore, it forms an AP as difference is same, equal. Difference is equal or common. So this forms AP. So what will be D? D is this 4 and common difference is D is equals to minus 4. Let us come to the second part. It is written 3, 10, 18. So 10 minus 3, 7, 18 minus 10 is equals to 8. So 7 is not equal to 8. Therefore it doesn't form AP. It doesn't form AP. Third part, let us check this also. Third, 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. So you can see the difference are 2 here, but here we got only 1. Therefore difference is not common. Here also difference is not common. Therefore it doesn't form AP. So likewise you can do this type of questions easily. Which sequence forms AP and which doesn't form AP. If the difference comes equal, then we can say it is an AP. If the difference is not equal in between the consecutive terms, then it will not be AP. Hope this is clear to you. Let us move to the next question. So now the next topic is general term of an AP. So general term means let the first term of an AP be A and common difference is equal to D. Then we have A1 is equals to A, A2 is equals to A plus D from the definition, because each term have the difference same from the previous term. A3 is equals to A plus 2D, A4 is equals to A plus 3D and so on. So An will be A plus n minus 1 into 2. So you can see first term A only, second term A plus D. When it is 2, it is 1. Third term A plus 2D. When this is 3, it is 2. Fourth term A4 is equals to A plus 3D. When this is 4, this is 3. Likewise, nth term An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into 2. This is the formula for finding this nth term or general term or any term in the AP. So now we have an example. How many terms are there in AP? Minus 6, minus 12, minus 18 and so on, minus 120. So see the solution. We will use this formula only. So first we need what is first term A. You can see it is minus 6. And what is common difference D? You know very well D means A2 minus A1. So A2 is this minus 12 minus this minus 6. So D will be minus 6. And last term is called the An. And An is equals to this minus 1 to 0. Now we have the formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put these values A, D and n are those. So minus 120 is equals to A was this minus 6 plus n we don't know and D is this minus 6. Now take this to this side, it will be get added. So 120 minus 6 will be 114 minus 114 is equals to n minus 1 into this minus 6. So minus will get cancelled and we have n minus 1 is equals to this 114 divided by 6. So n minus 1 is equals to 6 1 is 6, 6 9 is 54. And n is equals to 19 plus 1. So n will be 20. So there are 20 terms. Hope this is quite simple. Let us take one more example. Now we have one more question. If k plus 1, 2k plus 1 and k plus 2 are in AP, find the value of k. So you know very well, if 3 terms or more terms are in AP, the difference between consecutive term are equal. So here we will take the difference between first and second and third and second. So that we will compare the difference only. So here let A1 is equals to k plus 1, A2 is equals to 2k plus 1 and A3 is equals to k plus 2. Now D is equals to A2 minus A1. Therefore it is 2k plus 1 minus k plus 1. So we get 2k plus 1 minus k minus 1, and this will be 2k minus k will be k and 1 will get cancelled. So this is k only. Again A3 minus A2 is also D equals to A3 is this k plus 2 minus 2k plus 1. So we get k plus 2 minus 2k minus 1. So this is also d. So it will be minus k plus 1. You can give it first and give it second. So this will be k is equals to minus k plus 1. So take this k to the left side. 2k is equals to 1 and k is equals to 1 upon 2. So likewise you can find the solution of this type of question easily, in which we need to find the value of k when 3 or 4 terms are in AP. It's quite simple. Now we are here with the example 3. The question is very simple. If an is equals to 5 minus 4n, then a20 will be, what will be the value of a20? So let me tell you, if an is given 5 minus 4n, so in place of n we need to write 20 only. We have an is equals to 5 minus 4n. Therefore, if n is equals to 20, then a20 is equals to 5 minus 4 into 20 is equals to 5 minus 4, 20 is 80. So it will be minus 75. So a20 will be minus 75. This is quite simple. बहुत ही आसान सा है. So you would be able to easily do this type of questions. Let us take next question. Now we have our example 4. If 7 times of the 7th term of an AP equals to 11 times of 11th term, then find the 18th term of this AP. Solution is quite simple. Let first term is equals to a and common difference is equals to d. Then a7 is equals to a plus 6d, because this is all the time 1 less than this number, and a11 is equals to a plus 10d. Now let us see the condition. 7 times of 7th term is 11 times of 11th term. So we have 7 into a7 is equals to 11 into a11. So 7 into this a plus 6d is equals to 11 into a plus 10d. Let us see what we get. 7a, 7 6 are 42d, 11a, 11 10 are 110d. We'll take a to the left side and we'll bring this to right side. So we get 7a minus this 11a is equals to 110d minus 42b. So this will be minus 4a is equals to 68d, and a will be 68b upon minus 4, then it will be minus 17d. Now a18 is equals to a plus 17d, but we have a is equals to minus 17. Therefore a18 is equals to minus 17d plus 17d. Therefore a18 is equals to 0. So its 18 term will be 0. Hope this is clear. So I hope you enjoyed the questions and you know how to find the general term. And for the next topic, which is the sum of n terms of AP, wait for the next video. We'll meet in that video soon. And if you like the video, please press like. If you have any doubt, you want to ask any question, then write in comment. I'll try to upload the video on that particular question. Thank you for watching.